Hey guys, it's Luke. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we had a beautiful trade, and I want to go over it. So, a little brief about what this video is gonna be about. Basically, we're at a 94 winning day streak in a row. Okay, we had I think one or two break-even days, but yeah, that does not mean, or that does not equate to that we don't have any losing trades. We have more losing trades than winners, to be honest with you. However, we tend to end the day green. All right, so sometimes it's just a one shot, one kill trade, and then we call it a day. And by calling it a day or like a winning day, it has to meet the requirements of at least $200 for it to be called a winning day. So if I just take like a $10 trade and make $10 of profit and then say, oh, this is a winning day, no, we don't do that. Okay, so I'm making this series because to expand or broaden our community, or broaden our the aspect ratio of our trading. So everything is logged, taken, screenshotted, taken live, or taken with screenshots. Everything logged, every single trade we took on those 94 days. Everything's on YouTube or on Discord, mostly on Discord, because it's fast paced. And the whole point of this video is to start a new series in which I will be every trade that we take in the Discord, I will be posting it. I'll posting the recap on YouTube, so you guys can like come check it out. Like, so it's even expanded or just presented to a broader amount of people, much more broad, and it's a way of signifying evidence of how we trade and our win streak and our stats, so this starting from today, if you want to see the other ones, please join the Discord. Everything is there, but this is just a video series, so every day we take a trade, whether it's a win or loss, I will be sharing it on YouTube and see how it goes. So maybe this will add content to my YouTube, and it will also help you guys feel more motivated or more inclined to trust us than anybody else. And we don't make like 10 contracts, 10 minis to make 200 or something like that. We use fixed risk, $200 per trade, and we hope to see the bare minimum. We hope to hit the bare minimum of $200. So today's trade was pretty simple. Let's go ahead on the chart so you guys see. We have basically on our sweep strategy, we swept previous session high, Asia high, right there, and then we started dumping. As we dumping here, I was not really inclined to take a short because it could just be trying to rebalance. After taking liquidity, it can be rebalanced into this equilibrium of this range or these FEGs. So market does two things, either onto liquidity or comes back to fills to rebalance imbalances, right? FEGs. So that's why I did not really take an early entry trade there. However, once I saw it break through this low with the body, it formed a breaker block. So I immediately went ahead and took a trade right there at this breaker block, and I targeted, we basically targeted the nearest low. So pretty much very sniper entry, very sniper exit. It was very nice. So this is pretty much the trade we took. It was very fast paced, not very fast paced. It was very smooth ride. Not a lot of retracements, none any. As soon as you enter the trade, you're not really in drawdown, and it was nice. So right now we're also having our Shisha traders session bias and narrative, which gives you bias and narrative. So you got the SMR, you got the entry here with the strategy of delivery, you enter here, you got continuation, which if you want to hold, you can add to your position or just hold, trail your stop loss. And that's the perfect long as well. We're not really interested in that. We had on the situation like this here, but we did not really participate in trading there. Of course, you can see that you went to 4 standard deviations before dropping, so it's perfect. Right now it's approaching 2 standard deviations. Maybe it goes to 4, I'm not really sure. After such heavy retracing back to OTE, it could absolutely do that. This was market open, but pretty much this was the trade. So I hope you guys will enjoy this new series. So it's going to be quite like a recap. For those who are in our Discord, they will be able to be on this trade, not a recap. They will be able to join, participate, and make money from this trade. We had $15,000 profit, 20 from these new alerts, setup alerts, non-stream alerts. We started at 20 about a month ago, and every trading day inside that month, and plus more, so 24 winning days in a row. Every trade we took, every day we traded, we hit wins, and we trade every day. So we don't trade like once a week or once per month. We trade every single trading day, regardless of the market conditions. I don't know. It's just in my habit to do so. It may not be the best psychology or risk management criteria many people try to go for, but pretty much that was it. And there we go, it's 2 standard deviations. So I was not able to tell you guys to go on this long in the Discord because I'm busy making this video. However, that was a trade, and it was excellent entry, excellent exit, break a block, etc, etc. You guys can see my chart is very naked. I'm able to trade with the London. If I go on the other things and put like previous daily high lows, etc, midnight opens, we will see more confluences, but keep trading simple. As you guys can see, this was pretty much it. So here's the draw breaker block, and I'll be making a new series about how to draw breaker blocks, how to draw order blocks, all this stuff in a good way, in a way I use daily. All right, not just like, oh, this is a breaker block because it's just high low. No, I'll be telling you guys with context, with narrative. So stay tuned for that separate series. But pretty much this was our first trade. So this is a recap for those who are new, who are just interested in how we trade. This is pretty much how one of the setups that we took. It always all our trades are based on a session sweep. So if I'm taking a session sweep of 8, if the current session swept previous session high, I'm looking for shorts. So I'm just waiting for the perfect short. We got the perfect short here after we formed this breaker block. And yeah, so that was excellent. So thank you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Or for the next trade, which maybe happen anytime soon. Today. Take care. And I'll recap it. Bye bye.